In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Constant Contact with WordPress and add a sign-up form. By the end, you'll have a working email sign-up form on your site that feeds new subscribers straight into the Constant Contact list you choose. Let's make this clean and simple so you can get it done in just a few minutes. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You'll want an account with administrator access so you can install plugins and manage settings without interruptions. Once you're in, you're ready to add the tool that connects your site to your email marketing. Head to the Plugins section in the left menu and open Add New. In the search bar, type Constant Contact. Look for a plugin from the official Constant Contact team or one that clearly states it integrates with Constant Contact, has solid reviews, and is compatible with your WordPress version. Click Install, then Activate. Activation unlocks the settings you'll need for the connection. Next, connect the plugin to your Constant Contact account. You'll typically find a Connect or Settings button right after activation or under the plugin's settings page. Click it and sign in to your Constant Contact account when prompted. You may see a permission screen, approve access so WordPress can add subscribers for you. If a new tab opens, just follow it through and return to your dashboard once it confirms the connection. Now choose the list where new subscribers should be added. In Constant Contact, lists keep your contacts organized. Pick the primary list you want to grow. This ensures every form submission goes exactly where you expect. If you manage multiple audiences, double-check the selection and save your settings. With the connection set, it's time to place the sign-up form on your site. To add it to a page or post, open that page in the editor and insert the Constant Contact form block if it's available, or use the plugin's provided option within the editor. Choose the form style the plugin offers and update or publish the page. To place the form in a widget area like a sidebar or footer, go to Appearance, then Widgets, add the Constant Contact form widget to your chosen area, and save. Preview your site to confirm the form appears and looks good on desktop and mobile. Keep the form short, name and email are often enough, to improve completion rates, and position it where visitors will naturally see it, such as near the top of a page or at the end of a blog post. That's it. You've logged in, installed, and activated the plugin, connected your account, selected the right list, and placed your sign-up form where it matters. Save your changes, and you're ready to grow your subscriber base.